2986.
Taxi via Bravo.
2908 in use. Landing and departing runway 2908. Advised by initial contact. You have information. Lima.
Sirius 147 Whiskey Lima, NorCal departure frequency 125.1 and squawk 0331 from flight 11 to Lincoln.
Squawking 0331 and frequency is 125.1.
Stockton ground, cessna172N Echo HAC with Lima, left cruise traffic. This time is my first solo.
Cessna 2423 Echo, Stockton ground runway 29 left, taxi via Bravo.
Runway 29 left, taxi via Bravo, 2423 Echo. Zero attitude bank within 5 degrees each side and no pitch. Altimeter 75 feet from the pre-elevation. VSI 0, heading 3. No leaking, no bubble, swing freely. Deviation card, west and leadable. Next checklist complete. Left clear, right clear, front clear.
Sirius 147 Whiskey Lima, starting tower right, turn approved runway 29 left, clear for takeoff.
Engine run-up checklist, logical straight, parking brake hold, all spectrum light position, cabin door lock and latch, flight instrument, normal, fuel quantity, up and down, working freely. Set for takeoff, fuel selector on board, mixture leach. Engine is on the orange green, 승객 4.5 passenger. Engine smooth. To 1000, mixture lean.
Sirius 147 Whiskey Lima, radar contact, NorCal departure, have a good flight.
Mixture leach, Eurostar light, heading 010, heading 010. Transponder art, squawk V4, corridor latch it, parking brake release, radio call. Stockton Tower, cessna172N Echo, holding your runway 29 left, echo, ready for takeoff. This time is my first solo.
Cessna 2423 Echo, Stockton Tower, left closed, traffic approved, runway 29 left, clear for takeoff. Good luck.
Runway 29 left, cleared for takeoff. Thank you. The instrument all in the green, brake release. Left line, 40, road check, 50, 55, rotate.